Say hello to SIBIONO slow and medium temperature heat pump fish dryer. This dryer is seriously spacious. Its drying room measures 8,200 millimeters long, 3,200 millimeters wide, and 3,000 millimeters high. That means it can handle between 1,000 to 1,500 kg of fish in one go. Whether you're drying squid, pufferfish, eel, or other popular fish varieties, this machine gets the job done beautifully. What's really cool is the temperature control. It works between 15 to 50 C. That low to medium heat is key. It locks in that fresh natural fish flavor. No more worrying about texture changes or overcooking. With SIBIONO's commercial heat pump fish dehydrator, producing top quality dried fish has never been easier. Perfect flavor, perfect look every single time. Like what you see? Make sure to follow SIBIONO Heat Pump Fish Dryer for more updates.